Hello, everybody. My name is David Romaka. Um, I currently live in San Antonio, Texas. I'm originally from El Paso, Texas. I was transplanted here by way of the military. Uh, I am a critical care nurse in the Army, and I work at Brooke Army Medical Center. I've had some pretty cool assignments. At first, I was stationed in Hawaii, my first unit. Then I came to San Antonio. I deployed out of San Antonio. Uh, when I came back from my deployment, I really wanted to stay in San Antonio, so I requested to spend a year in Korea. I spent a year in Korea working as an operating room nurse, and then I came back to San Antonio and started working as a critical care nurse. So, um, as far as hobbies, I like to exercise, hang out with my wife. We are expecting twins in April. We're really excited about that. We have two dogs. We have a Labradoodle and a French Bulldog. Uh, Frenchie's a girl. The Labradoodle's a boy. They're sweet. They wrestle all the time. Give us a little preview of what's to come with the twins, I'm supposing. The reason I'm taking this course is because I want to be a CRNA, and I'm applying to school currently. I'm applying through the Army. It's the Baylor University, and I'll be active duty and going to school um, while I continue to be active duty. This was the last step in the process, completing this biochem class. So did that. Now I will be applying. So wish me luck. And I will repost this to the discussion. Hope everybody had a good time in this course. I definitely learned a lot. Thanks. Bye.